Hello, hello, everyone. It's been such a long time. Happy 88. We are at the peak of the 88 portal. So, how is everyone doing? What's happening? Hello. I am just so excited to be here. And I actually have my friend Hiral joining. So I'm just waiting for her. But how are we doing? How is 88 feeling today? Yeah, how is 88 feeling? Hello, hello. I am good. Thank you, Aishwarya. Thank you for asking. Hi, Shruti. Okay. So, yeah, I'm just gonna check if Hiral's here. But how are we doing? Feeling calm for the 88. That's nice. What intention are you setting for this 88 portal? What are you intending for this portal to bring into your life? So, okay, so Hiral's here, so I'm gonna invite her to join me. How do I do this? Sorry, I am just going to try and figure out. This is not clear. Is it better now?
Hi.
Hello. Hi.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes. Happy
Amazing.
8-8 to
Happy
everyone.
88.
So, Sachi, how's
Amazing.
it going?
It's good. So we were just discussing about 88 and what are the intentions people are setting. But why don't we dive into the energies of 88 that's coming up that you and I were discussing for this year?
Yeah, so I feel 8-8 every year has been that portal where because it opens up this connection with Sirius, and that's like our
Yeah.
central, it's like our
Yeah.
galactic central sun kind of a thing, which links us to our deeper purpose. So there's
Yeah.
always been this connection of the ability to manifest, the ability to ground, your goals, your dreams. But this year has been so different because it's like everything is happening that used to happen, but on a much, much more deeper level, on a
Yeah.
much, much more soul level. Like everybody who has, been in touch with, I think all three of us have discussed is
Yeah.
it's that they're all really feeling that need to go more into this complete shift of identity, this
Yeah.
complete acceptance of what is my soul mission, what am I here for, and feeling very much in the zone of taking that responsibility
Yeah.
now. So everyone is in different places where how ready are you, how big do you want to go, but everyone is sensing that there is this huge shift, and I can now suddenly be myself, like who am I really, what am I really here to do, and can I just start embodied, like why was I waiting for all this time? That is like the general feeling, that day you
Yeah.
came to my place and we were doing we were channeling
Yeah.
stuff for our mystery school. You had this vision, which
Yeah.
was that the chains breaking, and you
Yeah.
saw like these women breaking free, and you will not believe, since then I've had sessions, I've had conversations where so many, especially women, I guess that's because the work I do or people
Yeah.
I attract are more like that, have been literally feeling, okay, why am I, doing this whole cycle? Like things like, why are we so obsessed with being looking younger? Like, why is it such a big
Yeah.
thing for women to look perfect? From things like
Yeah.
that to things like, um, I'm going to now just completely let go of all these inhibitions and talk my
Yeah.
truth, like speak my
Yeah.
truth now, and I was asking for a message for today's live, especially, and the biggest caps, what I got is, this is because it is now safe to create your heaven on earth, So,
Yeah.
because, and this is linked to the activation we had that day on 6
Yeah.
8 for this portal, where we all received the flame, for our missions.
Yeah.
And what is coming through strongly when the two come together is that, um, as more and more people are accepting this, are actually starting to share their truth, we are
Yeah.
all holding that
Yeah.
frequency. And in pockets, we have already started to hold it. And now these pockets are connecting, weaving with each other, all over. And it's created this environment of safety where people feel safe now to be themselves. They are letting go of that armor, that,
Yeah.
the chains are breaking. It's like sort of the analogy I'm getting is like, when you go to like a sharing circle or an alcoholic anonymous, these people are able to share what they couldn't share otherwise. And it's
Yeah.
simply because the environment is so safe, is so non-judgmental, that you feel okay to speak your truth.
Yeah.
That is like literally what is happening in this portal phase, this
Yeah.
Lionsgate phase, and it's gonna be around after this. It's that shift, that this
Yeah.
space is now feeling safe for a lot of people, because a lot
Yeah.
of people have awakened and they are holding that frequency, that
Yeah.
everyone else is also feeling safe to now do that for themselves,
Yeah.
awaken, ask, trigger,
Yeah.
face their fears. So these, I feel like it's a very, very different
Yeah.
energy, this whole Lions
Yeah.
portal. I don't know what you
Yeah.
want to, what do you feel? Are you like feeling that exact same thing, or you want to add?
Yeah, I think I am feeling very similar things to you, Hiral. I also feel, this vision, this map is available to us, where we are able to see the shift that we are meant for, and that shift can be internal or external. Like we can see the abundance we feel called to create. We can see the path we choose to walk toward. But our body, our nervous system feels like, hey, are you really ready for this? Is this
Yeah.
really a leap of faith you are willing to take? Do you think you can do it? Like,
Yeah.
what is the coming back from it? And I feel
Yeah.
like it's the shift in the identity, right? What is that
Anointed. It
card?
says anointed, answer the call,
Yeah,
leadership. So it's exactly what you said, that the call is
yeah.
there, but are you going to answer it?
Yeah, and it feels like this is not something you walk back from. You either go in or you kind of keep playing safe and then you kind of keep having those experiences. And it's like, if you go in, do you really trust yourself to be held? Do you really trust yourself to be supported? Right? So it's like you can see the vision, the path is available,
Yes.
but it's about breaking your own
Yeah.
conditioning and programming
Yeah.
that
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
got this. Yeah.
Absolutely. And I think what is coming to me, I mean, I feel like this is something that's really happening in my own journey for
Yeah.
me. And what I have realized is what has been my gift is this connection with the masters, this
Yeah.
connection with the guides, which is like, allowed me to have experiences which have shown me
Yeah.
that when I trust, I really, really go
Yeah.
beyond what I had thought of, even though initially it may be a redirection, you know.
Yeah.
So I feel one is that, two is this feeling of just trust your body now. I feel like
Yeah.
that I personally have had a big disconnection with my body all my life, and
Yeah.
that awakening of Shakti, that this connection with the body is really coming through, where it's like I love my body enough to ask it. I love my body enough to trust it now.
Yeah.
This is not
Yeah.
about the way you look. This is about the
Yeah.
trust that you are building as a vessel, as a
Yeah.
whole. And I feel the third, for me, what has actually really also already helped me take these bigger steps has been community. I feel like,
Absolutely.
with you and Pia, that connection is there.
Yeah.
And there is other soul family that, we have all
Yeah.
worked with, um,
Yeah.
shared with enough, where we are all able to kind of lean on each other's support,
Yeah.
from simple things like just sharing what we are
Yeah.
going through, to helping each other, to coming
Yeah.
together in safe spaces. Like, it's not like a BFF situation where we're
Yeah.
sharing secrets and all. It's about a shared mission in that sense, or a
Yeah.
feeling that we are meant to be
Yeah.
uplifting each other at this time. So I feel
Yeah.
like that is something which has helped us so immensely. And I feel that is something which we are bringing and weaving all
Yeah.
these three, four
Yeah.
angles. And I think
Yeah.
the mystery school has really become that one place where
Yeah.
all of this is woven together and aligned
Yeah.
together for us.
Yeah, absolutely. I think, genuinely, I feel like it started with the retreat, right? Like I like looking
Yeah.
back, it started with the retreat, and I feel like after the retreat, you know what happened? It's almost like an analogy of going to the changing room and changing clothes, right?
Yeah.
Like it's
Yeah.
almost like you went there and then, okay, the clothes that you were liking first, they don't suit you anymore. So you go shopping again. And then
Yeah.
you bought these entire new clothes and you think, okay, wow, now I just bought myself this new wardrobe. And, I have this new wardrobe and I'm so excited. But then now that wardrobe is not feeling good to you anymore. And now I feel like it's this thing, the mystery school that is the next level. Now I can go and wear those clothes. The clothes still fit me. But what will be my confidence level? What will be my self-identity when I'm wearing clothes that are not feeling aligned? Right? It's gonna feel like yeah, I mean, it's new and it's great, but it's not me. So I feel like the growth of whether it's us birthing the mystery school or the people who are coming to the mystery school, growth is like that, I feel like the mystery school is not going to provide you with anything you're not ready for. At the same time, it's going to help you quantum leap to that version of you who receives things that the soul is ready for, but their physical body feels like a disconnection. The body feels that I'm not ready to leave. So it's almost like the old and the new, right?
Yeah.
It's like the old version of you wants to stay comfortable. Like, okay, I can do this by myself. Do I really need to sign up for a mystery school? Like, there's nothing like new tools or skill set I will learn there. But do you allow yourself the support?
Yeah.
Right? A plant to become a tree needs constant fertility, the soil. Everything needs to be fertile. Are you providing yourself the fertility to grow into that tree? Or do you envision just living like that plant? And that's okay if that's what your journey feels like to you.
Absolutely. And I feel like, what you shared that day on the call about blueprinting, about when you
Yeah,
see, like, even if we take the analogy of like a rose garden, when you're seeing the other
yeah,
roses bloom, that is when
yeah,
you also have the confidence in your own
yeah,
bloom. It's not like you
yeah,
want to copy that same thing. You're going to bloom in your own time, but you feel okay to shed the old
yeah,
petals, and because you can see that others have done it and they have bloomed,
yeah,
so that
yeah,
gives you this innate, like, being in that frequency consistently. It
yeah,
just completely recalibrates, it
yeah,
recalibrates your entire being in that sense, where
yeah,
you feel suddenly like, yeah, I am ready.
yeah,
Sometimes you just need that level. Like,
yeah,
you have seen five people who have
yeah,
done the rebirth, who have opened themselves up as the channels, and they are playing big.
yeah,
And when you
yeah,
spend that time with them, and
yeah.
when you are in a circle on the same table with them, that's literally all you need. Sometimes to
Absolutely.
give that to yourself. Sometimes we just want that permission. And
Yeah.
it's very easy sounding, but it's the most difficult thing to give yourself that
Yeah.
permission.
And Hira, like looking back, some of the biggest quantum leaps we all have had, you, me, and Pia, in our journey, have been when we have surrounded ourselves with other people, whether it's community, whether it's teachers, whether it's
Yeah.
mentors, whether it's guides. We have put ourselves in places that did not feel like us. Like, I
Yeah.
know my biggest growth happened when I pushed myself to join places that were calling out to me, but it felt like I'm not ready to be there yet. But when I put myself in those places,
Yeah.
literally doors opened up. And I don't mean doors, I literally mean like cities opened up. Like take
Yeah.
this, it's like it has been a crazy expansion. So I feel like the mystery school is a calling. It's not a program, it's not a container, it's a calling. It's gonna call people who are ready to explore that version of their soul, that version of their growth, that version of their selves. And as I am doing that, I picked these two cards, the
Wow.
Lemurians and Bridget. And Bridget has been coming in so
I love
strongly over and over again. So it is definitely going to call you, and you don't need to know what will I get from it or what will I receive from it. You need to know if it's a calling, are you ready to answer the call? Because the mystery school is about sovereignty. It will call you, it will give you the tools, it will give you everything that you need, but are you ready to walk that path? It's not going to walk the path for you.
And this is what I've pulled for that. Lineage of the rose, moved by the goddess, soul call gather. So it is
Yeah,
literally that.
yeah,
I think this is a little bit similar to the retreat also, where
yeah,
we just
yeah,
knew that the circle is already there, the souls
yeah,
are already aligned.
yeah,
We need to put out the message and they need to
yeah,
answer that call. It's literally
yeah,
like feeling that same situation, and
yeah,
this time it's like Ayu, but this time it's also a lot more focused on allowing you to be a sovereign leader. And when you
yeah,
spoke about being in uncomfortable places, I want to just say that for me, in making investments in myself used to be a little difficult. I used to always try and do more of the free offerings, or wait, okay, should I not? But I know, like looking back, just the way you said, that the ones where I invested in myself the most, that actually put that signal out to the universe that she
yeah,
trusts. I
yeah,
had a lot of money blocks. So it was
yeah,
like you trust that money will come back to you. It's not going to go
yeah,
away.
yeah,
And B, you have it. We are always investing in others, other things. It's so easy to believe in that, but to
yeah,
believe in yourself is
yeah,
actually really hard. And I
yeah,
feel that whenever I have done that and I have
yeah,
broken that barrier and I have
yeah,
trusted that if I invest in myself, I know that a lot
yeah,
more is going to open up. That's actually happened. That
yeah,
is the quantum, the 2, 3 times where I have really done that has, those were the containers that opened me up
yeah,
completely. So I
yeah,
completely agree with you that, that is a very
yeah,
necessary thing. And that is also one of the reasons why, there is this sort of an energy exchange that is involved, that it
yeah,
needs you, like a soul
yeah,
needs to have the courage to trust
yeah,
themselves, because
yeah,
mystery school is all about that courage to source everything from within. We are all
yeah,
complete within ourselves. We have
yeah,
all all the resources we need. We just
yeah,
need to source it from within. But it requires that level of conviction that I
yeah,
can, and that
yeah,
frequency which will attract everything. So
yeah.
I feel that is a signal that you also need to give, and it is an
Right.
important one.
Absolutely. And I just want to, before we kind of close, I want to also talk about this being India's first modern mystery school, right? And I feel like, again, that was something we felt called to create and say because, I have had people tell me that mystery schools are available in the West. There are Indian mystery schools available as well, but they're very different. They are very focused on different principles, different things. I feel like India's first modern mystery school aims to bridge that gap. It's like we're taking all the learnings that we have had individually and collectively and putting them like, okay, how do we use this?
Sachi, I can't hear you suddenly.
Can you
Is it
hear me?
now I can hear you? Sorry, you just went on
Right?
mute. Something happened.
I'm saying it's not possible that we go live and something doesn't
Doesn't.
happen
I
to the
swear it's like
internet
a
or the
thing.
connection.
We know the guys are here
It's
now.
yeah, yeah. This is the guys that came
Oh
forward, like
wow.
literally.
Metatron is a big part of Mystery School for sure.
Yeah. So I feel like, talking about India's first modern mystery school, I feel like it's important to, keep in mind that, it doesn't matter. First of all, it doesn't matter where a mystery school is from, but what matters is the conditioning, right? Like we as Indians come with a certain type of cultural and societal conditioning.
Yeah.
And you can take those lessons, but that level of teaching will not be understood by us fully embodied because we may not relate to certain aspects,
Yeah.
certain relationship aspects, certain growing up aspects. So I feel like, what we have aimed to do with Temple of Light is really bring that to the Indian surface, right? Like we're like literally, these are tools, these are lessons, these are learnings, but this is also our reality. We grew up seeing this, we grew up seeing that, and how can we use this now
Use it.
to
Yeah.
break free from those ancestral patterns? So yeah, anything you want to add about that?
Yeah, so I personally think we can do a whole live on this topic. I am so
Yeah,
passionate about it. But just to say one thing which is coming right now to share is that I think for all of us, this is true that whatever school we have gone to, especially when it is, been a very old, oh wow, Mother Mary, she's totally right now very, very present. So, whatever school we have been to, there is this very rigid belief that our system is the best, our teachings are the best, and this is the only way to do it. And we have had a lot of, I would say, luck, for lack of words, that we have had mentors who have allowed us to grow, or we have had the
yeah,
courage to move. Even
yeah,
like there are two, three schools where I went to, which, the healing, the this, that is like, this is like this. You do it like this, and there
yeah,
is nothing else which is as good. Even
yeah,
if you talk about religion, it's like, you'll hear stuff like when I'd gone to this temple a few months back, it's like Krishna is the best path. Durga
yeah,
will give you a lot of suffering. And I'm like,
yeah,
what are these people talking? Like, what is this? So it
yeah,
is like, we need to break that whole thing
yeah,
about there is only one way to do things, this is the only path. That, like, when you even hear things like this, and in my head I'm like, but Krishna and Kali are two sides of the same coin, so what are you even talking? Like,
yeah,
so it is literally coming to create a space which breaks this kind of
yeah,
rigidity, this kind of conditioning, and which
yeah,
helps you to lean in and take in the best, because there is so much amazing knowledge, so much
yeah,
amazing, like, rich richness of material
yeah,
there, richness of learnings. But if
yeah,
you box it like this and you
yeah,
make it into a very fear-based or competitive separation,
yeah,
us against them thing, it becomes a downer. Like, it does not take
yeah,
you far. It really will not
yeah,
help you ascend eventually. You will stay stuck in
yeah,
I am better than you vibe. So I feel like we wanted to create a place which is free of these things, which allows you to make your blend of
yeah,
all the best parts of you, allows you to open yourself up, bloom into that unique
yeah,
flower, because each of us are here to be unique, and each of
yeah,
us, the medicine we are here to share will only open up when we are
yeah,
able to bring
yeah,
all those elements together, when we are able
yeah,
to integrate all the gifts of those lifetimes together. And
yeah,
I feel that is one of the biggest things. There are many more, but I think this live will become too long. So
yeah,
let's leave that for another time.
yeah.
And but yeah, this is something which is really I wanted to share over here right now. So
Yeah, absolutely. I think, yeah, we will come and talk more on this. I think that's the plan, to do more lives to educate as well. But
yes.
right now we actually have an offer running which is only available till 11:59 p.m. tonight. And that's the 8/8 special offer, which is if you sign up by 11:59 p.m., you get one individual session each, a 30-minute session with Hiral, Pia, and myself. So if you are interested in availing that offer, I highly recommend you to sign up. But just to kind of end this, I am gonna just say that the mystery school is, I'm gonna say a few words, and if you resonate with any of these words in your being, then the mystery school is a calling for you. And whether you join or no, do check the website, because the website is meant to activate you. So the words are modern mystic, starseed, light worker, way shower, 144,000. I blanked out. Frequency holder. And I just want to pull one card before we kind of wrap up. So if any of these words resonate, do check the website out, do check the link out. You can also comment temple and the link will be sent to your inbox. Um, but yeah, trust the process.
Oh wow! And the divine director, can I tell you, always comes in a card pull when, at least whenever I'm pulling cards, is when a person is being taken towards their destiny, towards their
Yeah,
mission. So wow.
yeah.
He did
Hiral, do
actually.
you want to pull two cards for the
Yes.
mystery school?
Let's see.
Let's see if they resonate
And
with
I've
any
also
of the
kept
cards
my
though.
roses here because they're like super. Just see how
Oh
they
wow,
bloom. They're like these
so
luscious.
beautiful.
I love the frequency that they are sharing. Yeah. First one is sustainability, slow down. So it's kind of sharing that we are here to find this new way of doing things. The way we do things right now, the way we are overloaded with information, the way we are, just hustling, this way of being needs to shift into a much more sustainable, inside out way of being. And the other one is, oh wow, I love this card, Rapture. Like I feel ever since the presence of Shakti consciousness has started coming in, this has been very consistently coming, where you learn to connect. Can you hear me?
Now I can.
Perfect. Sorry, I got a call. So, where you learn to connect with your pleasure, with your creation energy, the feminine, the
Yeah,
divine feminine way, it's a very, like Ma Kamakhya kind of an energy where you are
right.
actually okay stating that this is my desire. This is not wrong to have it. There is a
Right.
reason why there is a desire in your heart. There is a reason why we are designed to create. It is not
Yeah.
manifestation. It is becoming the creatrix of your life.
Yeah.
So, and this is one of the ways when you
Sorry.
are able to completely embody that sensuality, that love for yourself, is actually what is really going to bring out this, literally it feels like this nectar of life. So, yeah.
Yeah,
Just
something
wanted to
clearly shifted
include
in
that.
me as you were
Yeah,
saying that.
yeah,
Yeah. Yeah. So I think that's a great note to end this on
yes,
because I feel like, yeah, I just feel like that's a great way to end it. So if you feel called to the mystery school, the offer is valid, the bonus is valid until tonight. Do reach out to us, Hiral, Pia, or me, if you feel called to it. And looking forward to co-creating this
yes,
journey with you.
yes. Looking
Thank you,
forward.
Hiral.
Thank you,
Bye,
Sachi. Thank you,
everyone.
everyone,
Thank
for being
you.
here.